son that I'll later, son that I'll later release the name. It's almost football season, and you don't know it yet, but you're a 49ers fan. Who's got it better than us? That's right, nobody. Go Niners!
But the bass.
Baby likes that song? Say, twinkle, twinkle, little star. I'm quoting messages out to my baby. Ow. Okay. That hurts. Okay. Say I love you. Okay. Buenos días, mis amigos. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. ¿Qué se dice?
I don't have effing chip.
Yeah, you're not gonna have chips because you're not eating.
And can I have chip?
No chippies. Nada.
Can I have chippies?
No, tu espalda, your back.
Look,
Good posture. It hurts.
Yeah.
Oh, can you eat and stop picking at your feet? ¿En qué se dice a los amigos? Hi! Haha, I did it for you. Haha! Hi! Hi! Haha! She don't even care. Ooh, gotta sneeze.
I want to
Stop! Oh my god, that hurts me. Well, she does that. Oh my gosh. César, buenos días. I'm about to make some. Ooh, excuse me. Baby, say buenos días. Say excuse me. Excuse me. Not you. Did you sneeze? Tu nordis. Oh, how do you say sneeze in Spanish? Cerdunis, something like that. Oh my gosh, I don't know. Permiso. You say permiso.
It's my baby.
No, you don't have a baby. No, not until you're like 40.
It's my baby.
Where's the baby? I don't see a baby.
Here.
In the belly button?
Yeah.
Interesting. But you don't have a baby. You're a baby yourself. You can't have a baby.
I'm swimming a baby.
Baby swimming?
Yeah. My baby.
No, my baby.
At the side.
Exercise.
Oh.
Yeah, baby's está haciendo ejercicio. He's doing exercise.
At the side. Tipping. I scratching my toe. Oh man, I'm saying that.
What are you doing?
It's my toe.
Oh my gosh. Do you see what I go through every morning? Sit down! Aww. Okay, no rough play. Thank you. This is what I'm talking about, man. 2 sunny side eggs with toasted bread. I mean toasted bread. I mean toasted butter. Oh. No, you don't. Goodbye. Go lava tus manos. And this kid's bugging out on her foot. What did you do? Yuck. Why did you do that? ¿Por qué hiciste eso? No toques. Me dijo que no toques. Anda, lava tu boca. I just got a package in the mail. And guess what else was left on my door? Your TV is too loud. Please keep it down. Already getting complaints. But you know what? I'm not turning it down because I don't give a damn. I'm gonna do the inside mouth. Well, maybe a little bit.
Dark circles, crow's feet. New age perfect eye renewal from L'Oreal.
There we go. 24. Is that good?
If you misplaced new Unisom sleep minis. A stressful day deserves a restful night.
What's that?
Note 5 on the new Edge Plus.
You ready?
Sessions is finished.
We've got a package. We got a little package. Oh, sorry. Who do you think that we got it from? Woo! I finally completed it. Who do you think we got it from? Oh, I know what it is. It's like, what's this?
Dad.
What's that? Abre? I'm sorry, does it say Buddha Belly? Or does it say Betsy? I'm just trying to open my package. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. You don't know how to open it? Figure it out. You got it! Ah! She got it, guys! Oh my gosh! She's so freaking smart. She's so determined. What is it? Guess. Enjoy, Lauren. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You don't like that? Star Wars limited edition, supersized waterproof lash, and the lipstick. Star Wars. What's this one? Oh, another lash flash mascara. Ooh, another Star Wars lipstick. Oh, this is the pretty purple one. I feel so cool, Buddha. How is it? Isn't that so cool? This is the dark side. This is what? Very black. And this color is very black. Light side? I don't get it. Light side, dark side? Lipsticks look really cute. I wish I had the gold one. I know they have a gold one. But yeah, the new Star Wars collection from CoverGirl comes out in, I think they said September. That's super freaking cool. And now we're back to your boo-boo. Nobody cares about the boo-boo. Everyone cares about Star Wars. But this is what I don't get. Collectible 10. If it's the same weight, if it's the same color, very black, I don't understand the difference. I don't get it. I gotta test it out.
I got up down from here.
Oh god.
And from here. Boom boom.
Alright, we're gonna read a story before she goes Mimi.
I'm not going Mimi. Yeah. No.
No! She has to go Mimi.
No.
You have to go, no! Okay, enough of that.
Okay, switch Sophia.
Okay. We read this story. Let's pick another one. Another Sophia.
No, Sophia.
5-minute Disney Junior stories. We read this one. I don't want to keep reading the same thing. That one?
That's not Buttercup. That's not Buttercup. Please, that's not Buttercup.
You don't want to read Buttercup?
No.
So I gotta read the same freaking story again?
Yeah.
Fun.
No boys and no girls. And I'm not teasing.
What?
Yeah.
You told Chloe there's no boys at Disney? What'd you dream of, Z?
No.
Did you dream of baby brother, baby sister?
No.
Yeah? Get your nasty.
Going a car.
You were getting in the car with the baby?
Queen and CBA get her car.
Sleeping Beauty got her first car?
Yeah.
Aww. ¿Qué color era? What color was it?
And I tell CBA and I tell CBA no cars.
Why? ¿Por qué?
I'm at the home.
¿Estabas enojada con ella?
Yeah.
You were mad at her? ¿Por qué? Why?
I'm at the CBA.
Why?
I'm at home.
Who gets mad at princesses? Oh, I know. You do, right? Did she steal your boyfriend?
No.
She stole your lipstick?
First gets my bag car and no one's bag car.
She got your friend's car? No. Did Sleeping Beauty like Jack little Ariel's car or something? Oh, you're not telling me the full story here, kid. Darling, where art thou? Hi, honey bunny.
What are you working workout clothes for?
I know she missed the days I used to work out, honey bunny. My little boo thing, my little boy toy.
I hate that. You know that.
I know, that's why I like calling it to you.
Well, you shouldn't.
Boo thing.
I got dinner home for you.
What? What you got there? What you got there, boo?
What's in the bag?
What? Go find your kid first. Oh my gosh. The new amigos don't know what they.
That's my kid.
He's supposed to find you.
Hi, kid. Hi, kid.
Boo!
My
Oh.
kid. Which one's my kid?
Look at her face.
This one.
Are you my son?
No, this one.
Are you Ziana?
No, Asiana.
How do I know? How do you know that's not Ziana?
Oh.
It's not Tiana. That's Mentor.
Are you sure you're not Minion Stewart?
I'm not Asiana.
Okay, I'm gonna ask you a question only Ziana would know.
Oh.
What's the famous quote
Oh my gosh.
that I say when I come in the door? Ziana, one. What do you think?
I enjoy Asiana.
How old are you? Yeah, I think you're my daughter. He didn't say anything.
Say, que se canta.
My daughter talks. He doesn't talk.
What is it? What do you sing when Daddy comes in the door? Que se canta.
What do you say when I come in the door?
Listen, I'm not talking.
You're not talking. What do you say?
It's boy toy. Boy toy.
But now.
I'm in the house. Here I am. Hi, dum-dum.
Aww.
My daughter. Swing a what? I can't swing you. Let me have a kiss.
Oh, brother.
I'm not doing sweet.
Three-way kiss.
Three-way.
Whoa. Whoa. Whoa.
Well, what four-way? You can't leave the baby out.
No, baby. Hi, son.
Our daughter.
Nope, son. I got something in the bag.
Wait. Aww.
Got some-
Amigos. You guys know what's in the bag, but the new amigos don't know. They don't know. Our little thing that we used to have. We haven't done it in months. Cause boy toy.
Boy toy.
Buddha, ¿qué es eso?
Put the food.
What? You gotta sit down. Let's sit down. Daddy has to go. Ready? You gotta sing a song. What? What? What's in the bag? Right here. Tell me what you're snacking on. Tell me what you're snacking on. What's in the bag? Or remember the old song? What's your flavor?
That's Craig David.
Tell me what's your flavor.
Ready?
What's your flavor?
Close your ojos. Both of you.
Cierra tus ojos. Wait. Gotta get over there. Daddy has to go. Ready? You gotta sing the song. What? What's in the bag? Right here. Tell me what you're snacking on. Tell me what you're snacking on. What's in the bag? Or remember the old song? What's your flavor?
That's Craig David.
Tell me what's your flavor.
Ready?
What's your flavor?
Close your ojos. Both of you.
Cierra tus ojos. Wait. Gotta get over there. I gotta get over here. Gotta get over here. Gotta get over here. Cierra tus ojos. ¿Qué es eso? That's comida.
Daddy brought home dinner.
Money.
Good. Dig in, girl. Dig in. Yeah, with the plastic lid on. Yeah. And napkins. You're so very thoughtful, BOYTOY.
I spared no expense.
You use tea for free?
No.
Oh, for the napkins. I was like, oh, free. I love free. I would say you should have stocked up and said you have a whole family of 5. That's how I do.
Well, I don't.
I'm greedy.
5.
This is from, what is it called?
Tuk tuk.
Tuk Tuk in Long Island City. My beef fried rice, and that's the curry pate.
Actually, it's pineapple fried rice, less the pineapple, add the beef. Don't you remember when you went there?
I like pineapple.
Oh, these
No,
are
that's-
yours. Look
those
at
are-
you. What a lucky girl. You get some cucumbers. Mommy's going to share all of them with you because I love you so much.
No hot.
Yeah, right now it's hot. You gotta wait. And that's the, what is it, pad thai?
Yeah, chicken pad thai.
Chicken pad thai, girl. So, excuse us as we eat, amigos.
You're a bad girl.
Oh, you're a bad girl.
You're a bad girl.
Good gal.
You're a bad girl.
That is a boy. He's a boy. He's a boy.
I'm Romano.
You're a boy bad girl.
I'll punch you in your neck with this lovely fist of my manliness.
No!
Yeah, I
Oh, Daddy's gonna give me a kiss. Apura.
No, I'm not.
Hurry, give me a kiss.
Hey,
Stop. Why you gotta do that? Oh, hurry, give me a kiss. Hurry.
Who am I? Let's play guess who I am. Okay? First name.
Cry baby. Look at her. Cry baby. Diana, are you Diana? Oh, Daddy's coming for a kiss.
Going for a sip in a second.
No. Ew, I got a book in her mouth. You put a book. Ah! Okay, no yelling. You don't yell.
Someone's probably gonna try to kick us out.
BOYTOY is furious that somebody left me a note saying, put down your TV.
25. It's barely loud.
Oh, the 25 volume. Whoa. Oh, Daddy's coming for a kiss. He's coming.
No, Daddy's not. Don't worry.
Hurry. Dame beso. Oh. So cute.
Do it like this. You're gonna love this. If you want it, then you got it for me. No more wasting time.
Mis amigos, BOYTOY is working hard. Right there in his little office with his butt's in frame.
My butt is in frame.
Your butt is in frame.
You yell way too much. Everything is echoing in here.
Now it's now you got a problem.
Yes, I do.
It's singing.
No, you yell.
Okay. Let's do it again. All right, say it again. Is it going good?
No, there's no singing.
You just said my butt is in frame.
No singing is here.
Please.
Stop. There is no singing.
Please.
That's why we're gonna get kicked out and evicted.
Kick out.
His butt was in frame.
And all you people stay funny. But it's loud and
What?
obnoxious.
It is not.
It is. I've talked to people that are like, yo, they She yells too much. She's very loud.
Yeah, right. Who? Name
everybody.
Yeah. Oh, can you put the? I want light. Let there be light.
No, let there be silence.
And loose.
I got things to do tonight.
Oh yeah. So yeah, we might go camping. We might go camping for Labor Day weekend. See, they just said they can't hear me.
Okay, but you're yelling. You really are yelling. Like
I can't hear. I'm deaf in this ear. I can't hear myself.
That's not our problem. Go get it checked out.
Since when does that mean checked out?
Look it up in the dictionary. Silence.
It's silence.
You can tip out.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, tip out.
Alright, so yeah, we're gonna go camping, I think, for Labor Day. Hopefully. We're looking at sites and places and stuff like that. Yeah, we gotta go Mimi, so that's basically it. I wanna call it a night, amigas. Like, oh my gosh. And ready? Come on and wash your body. Come on, Buddha. Let's take a bath. Come on and wash your body. Let's make it fast. So come on, okay, let's scrub under your arms, your feet, and your...
I was gonna go in there. Why are you going in there?
What?
I was gonna go in the bathroom.
Back, babe. Come on and wash your body. Come on, let's take a bath. Come on, guys, woo! Come on and wash your body. Oh, let's take a bath. Come on and wash your body. Woo! Let's make it fast. Come on, anybody, sing it with me. Anybody. I'm alone in this family, guys. This is why I'm depressed most of the day. Because I do everything by myself, alone. No one knows how to deal with me. No one cares for me. Right, babe? No one loves me. Maybe I need to find a new family. Let me know in the comments below whether there's space for a new family member. I sing, I dance, I make jingles. Babe, what else do I do?
Annoy people.
I annoy people. What else? Should I tell me something?
Talk very loud.
What else?
That annoys people.
Oh my gosh. And you'll get two personalities. You get Betsy. And then sometimes you'll get Betty when I'm in a bad mood. Right, babe? Don't you miss Betty?
I miss silence. She was a good friend of mine.
Make sure to check out betsy-v.com. It's going to be an adjustable baby, no tangle beauty regime that my little Buddha belly had a few weeks ago, so check it out. Support. There you are, kid. So with that, te quiero, te amo, te adoro, mis amigos. Hasta mañana. Buenas noches. Buenas noches, mis amigos. Mwah. Babe, your kiss.
Where's my book?
Mwah. Belly kiss. You guys share the love.
That's smart.
Ow. It was kind of tired of it, so I ended up having to jumble on your bags, put my clothes and the waitress clothes and those clothes in. And they had another one that had straps on it and you could put it on the backpack, but